leeks is a staple in most gardens, and if it's not, you may want to consider it for next year's garden. These are some leeks that have been left unattended with very little to no care for them, and they still have come out relatively decent. Now, we've had leeks that are over the size of a broom handle in diameter. I'm just going to pull this one up here. This one is a smaller one, but it still will serve the same purpose. Now, what we would do is we get rid of the dry skin part, trim the roots off, and then utilize the entire plant of green. If there is dry portions, we cut and get rid of that, such as this leaf here, very yellowing, so I'd dispose of that. But in the United States, we are conditioned just to eat the white portion on the bottom, but realistically, you can eat the whole leek. So if you've never grown leeks and you've had problems with onions, leeks are a good substitute for onions, and they take very little to almost no maintenance to grow, and they take about 120 days.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.